everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Taj. Welcome, Taj. Welcome. Great to see you, bud. Hey, Solomon. Hey, Tylag. Hey, Tylag. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Let's go over the markets. Big news. No surprise. All right. Bitcoin made a big move today, broke through resistance. All right. Very powerful move today in Bitcoin. It's on the weekly time frame right here. All right. Like I said, no surprise. We've been looking for a breakout. Currently, Bitcoin is right at 68,000. Now, it hasn't closed at 68,000 yet. All right. But it looks like it will close above resistance right here, which would be great for Bitcoin. All right. Just remember, you can use Bitcoin as a barometer. All right. So you should notice the other coins, all the other coins moving as well. All right. So big move, great move in Bitcoin. That's on the weekly time frame. I want to show you guys what's going on in Monster Cryptos. All right. We noticed that Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, I think Ethereum also gapped up. All right. Gapped up last night. Um, on the daily time frame, guys, we have no sellers around. All right. So on the daily time frame, I've been getting calls. Hey, David, is Bitcoin going to move higher? Well, we don't know, right? We never know, right? All we have to do is follow the price action. So based on the price action, guys, right? So here's on the daily time frame, right? We had two buy signals on the daily, right here at 28,000, right here. Sell signal at 40. And then the next buy signal was a break right here at 40, right at 48,000. And then here we are right now. All right. So we don't have any white candles, guys. No white candles, no red candles, no sell signals. So right now, Bitcoin is moving higher. All right. So just ride the move. Just ride the move. So just an amazing move. All right. Big move in Bitcoin. Just remember, all right, this is a new move. Let's take a look at the weekly on the other chart. All right. This is a new move here. Once the price action breaks through a resistance level, all right, and sellers can't stop anymore, that's a new move. So this is a new price move. All right. So I'm not saying that Bitcoin can move a lot higher, but just remember this area here, it's leaving that old price. This is the old price. All right. And now this is a new move, still early in the new move. So if it holds above resistance and keep going higher, guess what? New territory. So yeah, can Bitcoin make it to 100 grand? I'm not saying it will. Don't hold me to this, but it's certainly based on the price action, certainly could. All right, and perhaps move even much higher. We'll know, right? We'll know based on the daily. So we can watch the daily. We don't have to watch the 240 unless sellers come in heavy. We could look at the 240. Otherwise, hey, moving nicely on the daily time frame. All right. Litecoin, same thing. All right. Nice gap up. Still early, very early in the move on the weekly time frame, but gapped up, moving up nicely. Bitcoin Cash gapped up yesterday. All right. Gapped up and holding. All right. Holding here. On the weekly, gapped up on the weekly. And Ethereum. All right. Great trade going here. All right. And there are other coins. I know SHIB, what is it? SHIB been making a nice move also. Now Ethereum's got a ways to go to all-time high on Ethereum is up here. All right. All right, right above here. So great moves in Bitcoin. All right, let's go through current positions. Current positions. Equity markets um, down today. All right, so the Dow was down, Nasdaq was down, S&P, Russell was all down. Still holding their buy signals though. Okay, so Dow still holding its buy signal. All green candles, nothing to be concerned with. S&P holding its buy signal. Nasdaq, same thing. And the Russell new buy signal holding. We do have purple support and resistance on the Nasdaq. So we'll keep an eye on that right here. All right. All right. So we're getting a bit overbought. And also on the S&P, purple support and resistance. So we'll keep an eye on that. VIX is still low. VIX is at um, VIX is at 13. All right, 1349. All right, and we'll track Bitcoin up here too, so we can see right here. All right, what Bitcoin is doing. That's what's moving right now. Okay. All right. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through this, and we'll take a look at equities too this evening. All right. Pound Aussie, guys, buy signal here, breaking resistance, right? Breaking resistance here. Bit of a pullback, still holding. Okay. Euro Aussie. All right. Euro Aussie, buy signal here, breaking out nicely. All right. Pullback right here, but moving nicely there. Aussie New Zealand. Aussie New Zealand, buy signal here. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on this one here. No white candles yet. All right. Keep an eye on it. The dollar pairs. All right. USD HUF, guys. USD HUF. Right. Buy signal here. And that's breaking out to the upside. Down there on the equity markets will help the dollar move higher. All right. So buy signal here. That's moving higher. Dollar CAD. That was dollar HUF. Dollar CAD. Buy signal here. That's holding. Keep an eye on purple support and resistance there. USD HKD, that closed, guys. So buy signal here, right? Trying to make a move higher. Red candle, sell signal right at previous resistance becomes support. So close the trade, please. All right. Big selling candle here. Nothing we can do about that. All right. So close the trade there. USD HKD. We've got some shorts. We're shorting the yen pairs. We did see a reversal in the yen pairs. Let's take a look at those. All right. New Zealand yen, guys. All right, let's bring this here. Sell short signal here. It's still holding. Just need price to come down. All right, pound yen reverse. So we should be out of pound yen. Sell short signal here. We talked about this one last night, right? If green candles come in, just go and close the trade. So pound yen, we should be out of pound yen. SGD JPY, same thing here. All right, so we saw buying come back in the yen pairs. Okay, SGD JPY. All right, dollar yen. All right, same thing here. Very choppy trading, guys, in the yen pairs. All right, HKD, JPY, same thing here. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen is still holding. I would keep an eye on this one. All right, let's move this. right. So, right, we need that red candle here, right, to come on back down. All right. If it breaks through that resistance, close the trade. All right. That's CAD yen, Aussie yen. All right. Also closed. All right. Sell short signal here. Right. Broke resistance right here. Close the trade. All right. Aussie yen. That's too bad on these shorts. All right. Our Swiss yen, that's holding so far. We need to break support right here. We'll take a look at the E-minis also. All right, so we need to break support right here, but you guys see what's going on with the yen pair, so just be careful. Okay. Long positions in in Forex Dominator. Long positions. There are no shorts in Forex Dominator. Okay. EURTRY still holding firm. All right, so buy signal here, right? Moving up nicely there. EURTRY, USDTRY, same thing. Moving up nicely there. Euro, Aussie, Euro, Aussie. All right, looking to break resistance right here. Euro CAD, buy signal here, just holding. Euro Swiss, slowly moving up here. All right, buy signal here, heading to resistance. Right, we've got to get past resistance here before we can get up here. Let's move this right. Let's see, right about here. Okay. All right, that's Euro Swiss, Euro CZK. Now the Euro pairs are trying to make a move, guys. Buy signal here, right? Trading right here. Need to break through that resistance here. Okay, so just need to break through resistance right here. All green candles, nothing to do there. EURCZK, EURNOK. All right, buy signal here. This is still holding. Euros are holding right here. And we do have some dollar pairs. So dollar CAD, buy signal here, holding. Purple support and resistance. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here. This is holding firm. A good markdown phase here. Need to get to that resistance right here. All right, and break through. We can move that resistance about right here. All right, we have support becomes resistance here, here. All right, so need to get to that area there. All right, USD CNH holding right at resistance here. All right, we just need a breakout. CZK, DKK. All right, red candle. All right, so close the trade. So buy signal here, red candle. All right, close the trade, please. USD DKK. USD HUF. All right, buy signal here. This one is holding firm. All right, heading towards resistance right here. All right, now just remember we talk about this one here. You have sellers are here, sellers are here. All right, and slowly moving up nicely there. Um, we'll take a look at the dollar index, see what the dollar index is doing there. All right, USD SGD just holding here. Purple support and resistance and consolidating here. So really keep an eye on this area here. If you guys notice, just right in the center here, a lot of difficulty. All right. Price seems to stop right in this area here. Same thing here. All right. So if anyone is in this trade, you might just want to close the trade. We'll keep it for now. CAD yen, some yen pairs, CAD yen. If you guys notice, we don't have a lot of follow through right now. So Forex is consolidating. All right. All right. So CAD yen holding. Euro yen holding, needs to break through. Pound yen might get a bit higher. Looks like it's trying to get a bit higher here. Okay. Pound yen. HKD JPY holding right at resistance there. Just look at that. All right. Flat lined right at resistance. All right. So we need volatility to come in, guys, in Forex. SGD, JPY, same thing, just holding right at resistance. All right, nothing to do, just if you're in it, just hold. All right, buy signal here, just need to break through, get out of this area here. Okay, dollar yen. All right, same thing, just holding right at resistance right here. Okay, tricky. This is a tricky place to be. Okay, because this is where sellers came in before. So selling can come in here, break that trend line, break that support line right here. Red candles, white candles. All right, so this area is a concern. Oh, can certainly break out to the upside, which is what we would love to see there. Okay. And then pound pairs. So pound Aussie, right? Buy signal here, just sitting right at resistance. Yeah, you guys see the theme, see what's going on here. Pound, pound Swiss, that's moving up nicely here. Buy signal here, right? Moving up nicely. And we got really good resistance here. So if it can get to this area and break out, not could be a good trade, right? To this resistance here. All right. So good resistance here, good price action, moving up nicely there. Higher lows. We just need to get to that area and break out. Pound ZAR. All right. Pound ZAR, tricky trade here. All right. Testing this area right here. A bit of a pullback. Hold on. All right, pullback right here. We need to gather buyers and then break out. All right, this is an area here of big concern. Right, this is where sellers brought the price down. Here, here, here. We'll count here, here, and even a pullback right here. So keep an eye on that. All right. Let's take a quick look at futures. All right. Futures market. All right. Still nothing, guys. All right. So the dollar in the futures market just consolidating right here. Purple support and resistance. And look at this. All right. So no direction. We do have a buy signal. So the bias is to the upside, but just holding here. Right. Markets are down right now in the futures. All right. Okay. All right. We looked at monster futures last night. So we'll go right into equities. So long positions in stock boss. Now we added a lot of stocks. You guys should have seen some stocks come out on your alerts yesterday for stock boss and bullmaster. So let's go through those. Now, just remember to bring in your lines. All right. So your markdown phase, markup phase, right? Um, we'll draw some of these in. All right. So here's your markdown phase, ACDC. Now this was sent out. So we've got some new ones. So just remember to bring in your trend lines here. Okay. And then your target up here. All right. So ACDC, buy signal right here. All right. Right here, guys. Green candles, buy signal. All right. ADT. All right. Good trade going here. All right. That's breaking out of a tight consolidation here. Breaking out. Here's your markdown phase. Okay. All right. ALDX. All right. ALLO, buy signal here, good markdown phase. moving up nicely here. Nice big candles, right? Here's our first target right here. If it can break through, second target all the way up there. Okay. ALLO. All right. AMPS. AMPS. We got a markdown phase here. All right. We need to break through resistance here. All right. Breakthrough resistance here. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. Still holding. Looking to test resistance again. Okay. AMPS. All right. ANGI. We've got a white candle. Keep an eye on that. Good markdown phase. All right. Keep an eye on that. ARQQ. That's a new one we send out. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal was at 63 cents, trading at 78 cents. All right. Good target. Target up here. Well, not a target, but a high of $17, guys. So good, good, good selling there. Okay. All right. That looks good. Looks good. 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 Looks good. If we've got a white candle, guys, we'll pay attention. Red candles, close the trade. Sell signal, close the trade. Buy signal, markdown phase, buy signal here, holding firm. DNMR. All right, that's holding. That's holding. That's holding. That's holding. So this breakout FULC trading really well, guys. All right, first target. First resistance made it through. Second resistance heading towards its third resistance all the way up here. Buy signal was at 470. All right around there. Trading at 1133. Good trade going there. All right, this is holding. That's holding. Holding. All right, holding well. Um, Keep an eye on this one. KPTI. All right, buy signal here. Really good markdown phase, guys. Look at that. Nice markdown phase. All right, purple support and resistance. We did get a bounce right here. Buyers came in today. All right, we do have it's red right here. So that's a concern right over here. That's red. Okay, but did get a bounce today. Okay, that's holding. Holding. Good markdown phase there. Holding. Holding. Remember, we don't have any sell signals, all right, on any of the indexes, and sectors are still strong. NKTR buy signal was right about here. All right. I think we waited to get in about right in here, right? Because we had a red candle here. So I think about 65, 66, right around there, trading at 90 cents there. Okay. Note that's holding fine. Right, fine. That's holding, 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 holding. A bit of a pullback in some of these. Look at real. We added real, guys. Look at that. Nice big move today. All right. All right. Let's take a look at this trade here. Doesn't look like much. All right. When we zoom in, look at this. Good markdown phase. All right. Fair from about $9. All right. But we're looking to break through resistance here. All right. So if we can get past right this area here. All right. Right. And it is, we could move much higher. All right. REAL, big candles. Look at this. Big buyers, guys, coming in. They're jumping in. REAL. That's holding. That's holding. That's holding. holding. SKIN, good trade here, guys. This is a great setup. All right. This one, sellers came in right about, I would say right about here. All right. When the buy signal failed, really good markdown phase here. Really good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal right here. All right. Moving up nicely here. Good setup. Good trade setup there. SKIN. All right. That looks good. Good. Looks good. Looks good. Notice we're getting some reaccumulation trades, guys. Good. Hopefully that fills the gap. And that's it there for Stock Boss. Let's take a quick look at Bull Master. And then the E-minis. And then we'll be done. We're not adding anything, guys, this evening, especially in Forex. Take a quick look at Forex. Look here, guys. A lot of consolidation in Forex. So don't expect any big moves. In Forex, you notice how all these price actions, they're just sitting at resistance levels, especially with some of the dollar pairs, right? They're just holding. So this on the daily time frame. Look here. All this here is red. Look, right? It's consolidating. That's on the daily time frame. Consolidating on the 240, right? Our trading window in Forex Monster Scalper, right? So we do have a bit more volatility on the 60-minute, but not by much. All right. So we have a lot of consolidation. So not a lot of movement. Very, very quiet. Okay. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. Bull Master. Guys, keep in mind that there's capital moving into Bitcoin right now, into crypto. All right. So what happens is that traders can trade all the markets. And there are times when, yeah, all the markets will move, but when they're buying one market, right, a lot, right, that slows down the other markets. Okay. So just keep that in mind. All right. All right. So, and they're pushing cryptos right now. Okay. So that will slow the markets. COIN, all right. That's holding good trade holding there in Bull Master. All right. This one is good. That's holding. A new trade we added, SPR. Look at this trade here. No, it doesn't look great from here, but it is breaking out. And if it can get past this area here, this could be a good trade. Okay. So here we've got really good resistance. All right. Even here, look what's happening. So here's your markdown. So this is our selling. All right. This is our V. Another bad V here. Right. So we want that selling to come in. And here is our markup phase. And this is reaccumulation. So here is our first buy signal out of the markup phase, right? Out of accumulation markup, right? Bought here, sold here. Now we've got another buy signal here. Now this could be resistance here also, right at that buy signal. So let's bring this here so you guys can see. Doesn't look like much on the surface, but so here is breaking resistance here. Here is where we got the buy signal, blue triangle right here. I know it's hard to see right here. All right. And now we've got to get past this area here. All right. If that happens, this could be a good trade. Okay. First trade worked out also. SPR. All right. All right. Good trade going here. CLS buy signal here. That's a reaccumulation trade also. All right. These trades will sometimes work out really good in bull master. Buy signal here on the break of resistance. Really, really good price action there. CLS. All right. And this is holding. All right. Another reaccumulation. Break of resistance here. Buy signal was here. Our entry was right here yesterday. All right. And gapped up this morning. Okay. All right. AM, I won't go through all of these guys, but AMLX, this is a good setup here. Look here. Nice selling. We need those sellers to push that price lower. All right. Um, came down from $40. All right, right about here. Buy signal right at 17, right about here. Oh, hold on. All right, buy signal. Look at your candles here. Green candles looking nice here. Target all the way up here. Okay. All right, that's holding. Holding. Nice. Notice this reaccumulation trades, guys. Don't be afraid of these reaccumulation trades, especially with large caps. All right. This is AMD. All right. I know we're high in the markup phase, but we still have buy signals on the indexes. The Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq they're making all-time highs. Okay, so these trades can work out really well. All right, this is JBL, same thing, reaccumulation phase, buy signal moving up. All right, HOOD, buy signal here, moving nicely there. Okay, all right, that's good. That's good. That's good. Notice this reaccumulation trades, guys. All right, that's good. We don't find these as much in Stock Boss. Okay, they're lower price stocks. All right, but Bull Master, we can find those right here. Reaccumulation phase, right? Broke resistance here. Several buy signals. Keep an eye on these trades. Okay, all right. Buy signal here. So bought here at 29 and change. Sold here at 35 and change. Bought here at 40 and change. Sold here 51 and change. Bought here 51 and change. Sold here 59 and change. Buy signal here 63, currently at 67. So you can see it's trading really well in Bull Master. All right, so keep an eye on those. Good, nice reaccumulation trade there. That's holding. All right, nice break there. That's holding. Nice reaccumulation phase. Choppy in here. All right. Hopefully this one turns out. All right, nice break. Holding. All right, nice reaccumulation trade going there. All right, holding, resistance. That's holding. All right, this one is choppy. Let's see if we can. There must have been a reason why. All right, let's see here. Good markdown phase here. we've got to get past this area here. All right, we've got to get past resistance. So it's still a distance away. A decent markdown phase, pretty good upside. All right, so let's do this here. It's got to get past this area here. Okay. All right. Holding, 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 holding. Reaccumulation trade here. All right. All right. Holding, holding, holding. Um, this one here, guys, let's go ahead and close this. All right, looks like it might be done. We don't have a red candle. We do have a white candle here, along a big white candle, along with purple support and resistance. All right, previous trade did well. Buy signal was here, but purple support and resistance and this big candle here, that's a concern. So LQDA, close the trade, please. I know it's a white candle, but that's an alert there. All right, and holding there. Okay. All right. Quick look at the E-minis, and we'll be done. All right, we're right on track. E-minis, and we'll be done. Equities are still holding. Forex, just be careful. We don't have a single rotation in Forex, okay? I think Forex might be waiting for data. Or like I said, cryptocurrencies are moving. Let's see here. All right, US 30. We talked about this last night. This buy signal here that we would wait on this buy signal, that this was a concern. This buy signal here was a concern right here, that we were waiting for the price to get above resistance, settle, all right, above resistance before we would call a long trade, all right. Now on the daily time frame, we look good on the daily, but this was a concern in here. So good job. I did hear from a couple of you that did not take this trade. Good job not taking this trade. Okay. It just had a difficult time getting past resistance here. All right. Never really broke through and settled. Okay. Unlike the NAS 100, all right, the NAS was able to break through. All right here, buy signal here, broke through, give a sell signal, so we should be out of this trade. So bought here, sold here. All right, so we should be out of the NAS, especially if you're trading it on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, same with the S&P. All right, so that trade also closed. Okay, so all right, so buy signal here. All right, closed today. Okay, so nothing with the US 30. Two great trades with the S&P and the NAS. All right, so wait on the US 30. This is the trade right now. All right, this is the trade right now. Wait, hold on. Bitcoin right here. All right, so those of you trading it, hey, congrats, good job. All right, you might get a bit of a pullback, but I doubt. You guys can see here, the buys are really holding it. All right, every candle here, right here, They're holding here, holding here, holding. They're holding the lows, holding here, holding here. You guys see that right here? They're holding. They're holding the lows, holding the lows. Okay, right? If they stop holding, right, even before we get white candles, we'll get notice, right? We'll get new support and resistance lines. You guys know this. We'll get new support and resistance lines. So no concern right now. All right. Nice price action. All right. Breaking all-time highs. And Bitcoin, you guys know Bitcoin moves fast, right? So we could see easily 70,000. Okay. And then who knows, right? Who knows from there? All right. But again, it's breaking new levels, right? It's breaking new levels, all time highs. All right. So this is brand new territory. All right. So we could see a flood of buying, right, come in to push it higher. Okay. So the nice thing about Bitcoin, we can use Bitcoin as a barometer, right? So if we trade other coins, right, we can get leverage with other coins, but use Bitcoin as a trigger. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Forex traders or monster scalper traders. All right. Forex dominator traders, just be patient. It's just quiet right now. All right. So be careful, be patient. All right. All right, guys. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. No picks this evening. Take care. All right. Bye bye.